Now wait. You have to hold it. Okay, watch. This is how you do it. Ready? You go, zzz, and you press it, and it kind of gives you a little tickle. Okay? Go sit on the couch, and I'll film you. This is a shocking pin. Listen. Okay. Alright, ready, Anderson?
Ready.
You do the honors. Wait, don't do it until I tell you, because it hurts. Okay, it doesn't hurt, but don't do it yet. Don't. Ready? Wait. Mom, can we do it? Okay, wait.
Tickle.
Ready? You want to do it again?
No.
Do it on your other hand. It might not hurt as much.
No. It'll be the same thing on the other hand.
Alright, say bye.
Bye.